That's really good. That's a win. Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Now, if you're not new here, I'm so glad you came back. That means a lot to me that you guys are tuning in and watching my adventures. So today's adventure is all about the AEC road trip again. Now, when we were in the Midwest, we saw a lot of Taco John's. Now, if you've never heard of Taco John's, it's kind of like a Taco Bell slash, I don't know, I think it's just like a Midwestern Taco Bell, but they have something called potato Olés. You see this? Potato Olés. Now, my husband's family comes from the Midwest and they love their potato Olés. In fact, every time we go to Iowa for a family reunion, there's a special trip made as a family to go to Taco John's and get your potato Olés. What's the big deal? Why are these people going crazy for a potato Olés? Well, let me just tell you, they're downright good. I don't really care for the rest of Taco John's menus, but potato Olés are really delicious. So I thought, why not try to recreate this recipe at home in my Deluxe air fryer and show you how it goes. So without further ado, let's make some potato Olés. So we're gonna use paprika, cumin, cayenne, and some seasoned salt. Now I'm gonna use the brand new seasoned salt from Pampered Chef. I have actually not used it yet, so this will be an exciting adventure for all of us. All right, so the first thing we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna want to get our potatoes ready to go. Now, I wanted to try two things in the Deluxe air fryer today. I want to do these tater tots or these tater crowns, like golden crispy crowns, in the air fryer with oil and without oil, because I want to see which one cooks up better. I've only done it without oil, but I saw a post recently that they were putting oil on their tater tots or French fries in the air fryer to make them crispier. So I thought, hey, let's try it out. So let's do the first one with no oil. So we're just going to kind of arrange these. I would say arrange them willy-nilly, but I really want to get the most on here. So I'm just gonna be a little OCD and put them all in a row, because I have a lot of people in this house who like potato Olés, and so I'm gonna do 2 whole trays of them. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on the top. Oh, I need my drip tray. It's missing. We use our air fryer almost every day. Okay, tray's in. All right, let's do the second layer. Whoa, runaway Olé. And I did look up, because I was like, is it really Olés or is it Olé and it's plural or what? No, it's potato Olés. So we're just gonna go with potato Olés. All right, and there we have it. Now, here's a hack that is very important when you are using a spray oil and your Pampered Chef air fryer, because when you spray your food, usually you get oil everywhere, but if you spray it on a parchment paper, it collects all the oil and then you don't have to clean up your counter afterwards. It's kind of nice. Okay, so we're just gonna spray the tray all over and kind of give it an even coat of oil. All right, I feel like that's a ton of oil. I don't know what the people on the internet are thinking, because I'm pretty sure I just added 100 calories per crown to these by doing that. But hey, if it makes it crispier, maybe it's fine. Okay, into the air fryer it's gonna go. We're gonna put it on the bottom rack, just like that. And we are going to shut it. All right, and we are gonna get this started on air fry for 16 minutes. At 8 minutes, the air fryer will beep at us and tell us it's halfway through and we need to rotate our food. So I'll listen for that, but I'll be back when the 16 minutes is up and show you the results. All right, while those are cooking, let's get our seasoning ready. So we are gonna use 4 parts seasoning salt. So I'm just gonna use a teaspoon seasoning, and I will do 4 of these. 2 teaspoons of paprika, and then 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne. Yes, cayenne. All right, and all we're going to do now is shut this little jar and shake it up. If you don't have a little jar or something, you can just stir it up. It'll be fine. But since I have the jars and I'm gonna save the extra, this is perfect, and I will put a label on it later. So now all we have to do is wait for them to come out. The timer has just gone off. So let's take these out and see what we have. All right, so I confess I have no idea which one had the oil on and which one didn't. They look relatively identical. I think this one was the one with the oil because of this big nugget. So first of all, let's try one from each and decide what we think about oil or no oil without putting any potato olé on it. Crispy. Tastes great. A little oily, but hash browns are oily. Might just be the hash browns. Let's go with no oil. I don't know. I definitely can taste the extra oil on these, but there's not enough of a difference that I think that I would or would not do it. These did get a little crispier, obviously because they had a little more oil, but these are still plenty crispy. They're still pretty crispy. So if it were me, and it is me, I'm me. Weird, right? If I do this again, I will definitely leave the oil off because I don't need the extra calories. So there you go. There's a little adventure, a little tidbit that you didn't even know you were gonna get. Okay, let's go ahead and pour these onto our tray. And we are going to sprinkle, douse, I don't know. We're gonna put the potato olé seasoning all over it. And we're gonna use our tongs to kind of mix it around. I probably should have done this in a bowl or something, but this will be fine. Now I'm just gonna toss to coat. All right, and there we have it. Potato olés. Now, potato olés are classically served with a nacho dip or a sour cream dip. So I am just gonna serve it with some sour cream and we will see what we have. Looks pretty good. All right, let's put some sour cream right on the top in a nice little blob. Bink. Looks good. All right, let's get a picture and then we'll taste it. Taco John's potato olés. All right, and since I'm up here from doing the thumbnail, we'll just taste it from here. Let's see, get a little sour cream. Ooh. That's really good. The spices hit you right where they need to. Now, I read online that this is typically the traditional potato olés, but that most of the recipes were missing that lime kick. So I got out some limes and I wanted to try it with a little lime juice sprinkled on it just to see if maybe that will give it exactly what it needs to be the perfect potato olé. So here we go. We're gonna dip it into our sour cream. And here we go. Oh, that's much better. Definitely sprinkle it with some lime. Ooh, that's really good. The other thing that maybe you could do is you could get some dehydrated lime and put it in the seasoning all together, but I'm pretty sure that's the way it was meant to be eaten, with a little lime. Ooh, that's really good. I'm really glad that I read that tip somewhere. I don't know where I read it because I read a lot of things about potato Olés this week, but whoever it was, thank you. Thank you very much. I could sit and eat this whole thing. Don't forget your limes. If you don't have lime, just use a little lime juice. You need some kind of a pucker to go, or else these are amazing. So if you know what potato Olés are and you want to try this recipe, there you have it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos several times a week, and it's all about adventuring in your kitchen for the home cook, because that's what I am. I'm just a home cook. I'm having fun and I'm having an adventure. So I hope you'll join me next time. All right, you guys, we'll see you later. Bye.